Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and doing good. Welcome to our EVS class. Children, do you remember the previous class topic? What is the name of the lesson? Very good, children. The name of the lesson is Help Us Around Us. The name of the lesson is Help Us Around Us. Children, shall I ask you some questions from it? Name two helpers at school. Tell me, children. Very good. Teacher, bus driver. Teacher, bus driver. Okay, children. Now let us move on to our today's topic. Help us inside and outside our home. First of all, we are going to see about the policeman. Children, do you know who is a policeman? Yes, very good, children. A policeman is a person who protects us from thieves. He helps us live safely. He helps us live safely. Next, we are going to see about the soldier. Who is a soldier? Do you know, children? Yes, you are right. A soldier is a person who protects our country from enemies. He fights for our safety. He fights for our safety. Next, we are going to see about carpenter. Who is a carpenter? Do you know, children? Yes. Carpenter is a person who works with wood. He makes new tables, doors, etc. He makes new tables, doors, etc. Next, we are going to see about doctor. Who is a doctor? Do you know, children? Yes, very good. A doctor is a person who treats sick people. He gives us medicines. He gives us medicines. Next, we are going to see about the gardener. Do you know, children? A gardener is a person who takes care of our garden. Who takes care of our garden. Children, there are many more helpers in our society, such as barber, tailor, and so on. Shall we see what they do? Come on, children. Barber. A barber is a person who cuts our hair. A barber is a person who cuts our hair. Next, tailor. A tailor is a person who stitches our clothes. A tailor is a person who stitches our clothes. Next one, cobbler. A cobbler is a person who mends our shoes. A cobbler is a person who mends our shoes. Next, porter. A porter is a person who carry our heavy luggage. A porter is a person who carry our heavy luggage. Next, fireman. A fireman is a person who puts out fires. Who puts out fires. Next, farmer. A farmer is a person who grows our food crops. Who grows our food crops. Next, shopkeeper. A shopkeeper is a person who runs a shop. He sells many things. He sells many things. Have you all understood, children? Shall we read it once? Come on, let's read it. Children, all of you take page number 61 in your EVS book. Policeman. A policeman protects us from thieves. He helps us live safely. He helps us live safely. He catches thieves and protects us. He helps us live in peace. Next, soldier. A soldier protects our country from enemies. A soldier protects our country from enemies. He fights for our safety. He fights for our safety. He risks his own life to help and save us. What is the meaning of risk? To do something that is harmful. What is the meaning of risk? To do something that is harmful. Turn to the next page, children. Carpenter. A carpenter works with wood. A carpenter works with wood. He makes new tables, doors, windows, cots and cupboards. He makes new tables, doors, windows, cots and cupboards. He also repairs them whenever there is a problem. Next, doctor. When our family members fall ill, we call on a doctor. A doctor treats sick people. He gives them medicines and cures them. Next, gardener. A gardener takes care of our garden. He takes care of plants and trees in the garden. He makes our neighborhood and our homes green and colorful. Next, more helpers. There are many more helpers in our society, such as barbers, tailors, cobblers, porters, firemen, farmers, shopkeepers, and so on. Let us see what they do. A barber gives us a haircut. A tailor stitches our clothes. A cobbler mends our shoes. A porter helps us to carry heavy luggage in a railway station. Go to the next page, children. A fireman puts out fires. A farmer grows our food crops. A shopkeeper runs a shop. His work is selling various things. Children, who is this? A barber, a tailor, a cobbler, a porter, a fireman, a farmer, a shopkeeper. Children, we shall now do some exercise. Come on. All of you take page number 66. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. A. A tailor or teacher teaches children how to read and write. Say, children, who teaches children how to read and write? Yes, very good, children. Teacher. What is the spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. A teacher teaches children how to read and write. Next, a plumber or painter fixes the pipes and taps. Say, children, who fixes the pipes and taps? Very good. Plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. A plumber fixes the pipes and taps. Next, a shopkeeper or gardener takes care of the garden. Say, children, who takes care of the garden? Yes, very good, children. Gardener. What is the spelling of gardener? G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. A gardener takes care of the garden. A gardener takes care of the garden. Next, a postman or policeman delivers letters. Say, children, who delivers letters? Yes, very good, children. Postman. What is the spelling of postman? P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. What is the spelling of postman? P-O-S-T-M-A-N. A postman delivers letters. Next, the school caretaker or carpenter checks if the school is clean. Say, children, who checks if the school is clean? Yes, very good. Caretaker. What is the spelling of caretaker? C-A-R-E-T-A-K-E-R. The caretaker. The school caretaker checks if the school is clean. Number 3. Tick the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. Tick the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. Do this as homework. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.